started in Bombay in 1672. This court was started in Bombay in 1672. Then the Mayor's Court was started in Madras and Calcutta in 1726. So 1846. Again, it was only for male. Usually our society is male dominated. So initially male were permitted to law courses. Only in 1923, women were allowed to undergo law course. From 1980, number of law colleges have been started. When we got independence, there were only about 70,000 advocates. In 1947, there was only 70,000 advocates. 15 lakh advocates throughout India. 15 lakh advocates throughout India. The good news is, the whole world, India stands second in the number of advocates. The whole world, India stands second in the number of advocates, next only to United States of America. So the two young advocates who are joined today, the young individuals, males and females who are joined today, are going to join a group of advocates who are second largest number in the whole world. You are going to be the second largest number of advocates in the whole world, next only to United States of America. And there is not much time before we take America, and we should be the
Justice of Madras High Court, our distinguished chief guest, to address the gathering and confirm
participating one among you in the auspicious opening day of your, which in the years to come is going to shape you as able lawyers, upholding law and serving the needy people. I warmly welcome my dear students and their parents to this first day of college. Being here in this gathering of aspiring lawyers, their parents, reminds me of my law college days. Those golden days never come again, which my father used to accompany me to college, whose mission to see me as a good lawyer one day, to help the poor and needy litigants according to law. Though he was an agriculturalist having educational qualification of 5th form. You are the persons who wisely choose this law course to fulfill your ambitions as well as your parents by time wisely spending attending classes, lectures of dignified professors who are also great lawyers of their time. Learn many things from them with love and reverence, varied dimensions and interpretation of law. Student life with friends, those were cherishable days, memories. Student life, particularly college life, is where you will be nurtured and shaped up to lead your life, make a better career, request you to keep proper balance to achieve your goal by yourself, that you can do by time management, which is precious in our life. Our country, freedom and rights to every citizen of India, also wants them to abide the duties by uphold the laws of the land in order to live in harmony with the society. When there is a disturbance or issues to their freedom, rights, civil, criminal, family, and varied other issues, the matter is brought to the court of law and to alternate dispute redressal forms like mediation, conciliation, arbitration in local levels, to try, resolve and settle the matters. To try, settle matters, a judge bench is willing to hear them, and here comes lawyers. The torch bearers of law who, by their knowledge, thinking, shed light to the case and try living better clarity to settle the matter by affording laws of the land. You students are in few years going to become such great lawyers who leads the noble profession of practicing law.
Why you have chosen the law? First, you must realize what purpose we have chosen this field. Then you must know what is the importance of this field. We are all aware that the law is meant for, laws are enacted for discipline the society. They are commonly known as controlling the law and order. And other, it is for which, why you should understand. Only when you understand the importance of law, you can fight against the evil. You can fight against injustice. You can fight against exploitation. You can fight against the corruption. In my perception, our country's main problem is corruption. The royal
முன்னால எங்க ஃபவுண்டர் சேர்மன் ஜெகத்தையா அவர்கள் ஒரு அந்த ஐடியாவை சொல்லும் போது நாங்களாம் அந்த ரூம்ல இருந்தோம். நான் என் வைஸ் சான்சலர், எங்க டீன் சார் எல்லாம் அந்த ரூம்ல இருந்தோம். சொன்ன உடனே எங்க வைஸ் சான்சலர் வந்து ஒரு பேப்பர் எடுத்து எழுத ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டார் என்ன பண்ணலான்னு. அந்த ஐடியாவை நர்ச்சர் பண்ணி இந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு காலேஜ் இவ்வளவு பேர் சேர்ந்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய பங்கு நம்ம ஹமீது ஹுசைன் சாருக்கு இருக்கு. அது உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியாது, பட் நாங்க அந்த ரூம்ல இருந்ததால எனக்கு தெரியும். ஹமீது ஹுசைன் சாருக்கு ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய பங்கு இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அவர் he passed the torch to our dean Gajendran Raj sir. So now he is holding the torch and running. I think sure they will go to great heights.
Students participated in the various programs conducted at Hyderabad and they brought laurels to our institute. So with this and moreover, the law curriculum has been founded under the guidance of two stalwarts. One is a vice chancellor and another one is a very powerful man in the field of law, and which is made what is required today based on the requirements of the industry, based on the humanitarian grounds, etc. And we are following the grading system which is worldwide followed.
On behalf of the management, staff and students of our institute, of our university, we welcome all the dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, and the buds and blossoms of today's, the new stepping stone of this Constitution of India, our first LLB students and our first year BBA, BCom, LLB students.
இங்கே பேசி சில அறிவுரையில் சொன்னால் சரியாக இருக்கும் என்று நினைத்த இவர்களது பாங்கு எனக்கு பிடித்திருக்கிறது. Indeed, it's a great pleasure for me to be here. அவர்களுடைய இயக்கத்தை கவனிங்கள். என்னுடைய மகன் படித்து பிற்காலத்தில் மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு சட்ட வல்லுநராக வருவான், நீதிபதியாக வருவான். அப்படி என்று அவர்களுடைய இயக்கத்தை நீங்கள் பூர்த்தி செய்ய வேண்டும். நல்ல கல்லூரியில கொண்டு சேர்த்து விட்டார்கள், நல்ல காரியம் செய்து விட்டார்கள். அது பத்தாது. இந்த கல்லூரியிலே பாடம் நன்றாக நடத்துகின்றார்கள். ஒரு குதிரையை கூட தண்ணீர் கிட்டக்க தான் கொண்டு போய் சேர்க்க முடியும். குடிக்கிறது குதிரையோட வேலைன்னு சொல்ற மாதிரி நீங்க தான் படிக்கணும். டெய்லி படிங்க. இந்த பேஸ்புக், ட்விட்டர், வாட்ஸ்அப் எல்லாம் அதிக நேரம் செலவிடாதீர்கள் தயவுசெய்து.
Institute of Law. We have got good infrastructure and intellectual teachers. When we look out our infrastructure, we have got smart classes with air-conditioned rooms to be seated easily and comfortably in all times to listen the lectures and to gain our own knowledge for our own benefit. And we have also got moot court, such a fantastic moot court. In this moot court, we are going to train ourselves efficiently to get good advocacy.
சார் கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸாக பண்ணுங்க சார். இல்லை புக்கு கொடுத்துருங்க. கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்கம்மா. அம்மா கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. இல்லை நான் கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வச்சுருக்கேன். வெயிட் பண்ணலாம். எல்லாரும் கொஞ்சம் இந்த பக்கம் வந்துருங்க. கொஞ்சம் புக்கோட வந்துருங்க. நல்ல உள்ளவங்கம்மா. மறைக்க சார் ஒன்று கொடுக்குற மாதிரி வச்சுங்க சார். ஒன்று கொடுங்க.